Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are heading down to Monknash, or Monknash Beach. We've just been through the village, parked up. We're actually in a little dell at the moment called Monknash, which is a beautiful little walk heading down by the river, but hopefully it will come out on the beach. And today we are going to be trying to find Jurassic creatures of sort of, yeah. So I saw this the other day. It's evidently the Jurassic Coast of Wales. So hopefully we might find some fossils. So just as I finished recording there, as you can see here, came across this beautiful waterfall. So I just couldn't resist getting the drone out, flying it up a little bit. I might have flown into the water a little bit, but you know, it's so beautiful. Totally unexpected as well. That's what I love about just getting out, is you find all these suddenly hidden gems on your journey. Well, I must admit, I didn't think we'd really find that many fossils down here at the beach. At least I didn't think, because when we got here, the tide was in. So there's a whole lot of beach that we can't explore at the moment. But just from the little bit of beach that we've actually explored already, yeah, we keep finding little bits of fossil, little stuff in there. You know, it's sort of everywhere I'm looking, there looks to be kind of, yeah, definitely where something was before, whether it's vegetation, whether it's animal life, shells, it's definitely full of it. So, and you can kind of tell by the way the cliffs are formed, how it's all crumbling away and how it's all revealing what the history was here. So it'd be nice to be here at low tide. I didn't really plan it with regards to the tide, I just knew we can get onto the beach. But yeah, I think have a little bit of an explore along the cliff edge and see what we can find. Well, it was a lot of fun. Place I'd never been before, and yeah, far more fossils than I ever thought there would be here. Just making our way now back up to the car, so we're going to get back through the through that little glen again by the waterfall. So yeah, a really enjoyable little walk. Didn't find the ammonites, which I wanted to find. Evidently there are quite a few here, but I think it was really hampered only by the fact that the tide was in. I think with the tide out, it's going to reveal a lot more rocks that have been kind of bashed around a lot by the tide and open up and split up. But literally everywhere you go, we just sat there having a little bit of a snack, and there was right by our feet, there was a one in the rock there. So if you're into fossil hunting, this is definitely a place to come on the Welsh coast. I'd like to go down to Dorset, to the Jurassic Coast down there, and have a look for some stuff, but this is, yeah, fairly local to me, and yeah, nice little find, nice little spot. So gonna head back up now to the car, probably end the video here. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you've got your own little sort of secret places like this where you can find stuff, let me know in the comments below. I'd like to know about those, perhaps share them with the other people as well, so they know where to go. And yeah, we'll see you next time in the next video. Don't forget to do the old like and subscribe if you're not already, and share the video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.